In the heart of the bustling city of Dhaka, Bangladesh, amidst the vibrant chaos and teeming crowds, lived a young woman named Anika. With her striking beauty, sharp wit, and insatiable ambition, Anika had her sights set high on the world of wealth and luxury. She was a gold digger, determined to climb the social ladder by any means necessary. Anika's journey began in the humble neighborhood of Dhanmondi, where she grew up in a modest household. Her father, a hard-working mechanic, and her mother, a devoted homemaker, struggled to make ends meet, but they instilled in their daughter a strong sense of self-worth and a determination to succeed. Anika, however, yearned for a life beyond her means. She dreamed of lavish parties, designer clothes, and exotic vacations. She believed that true happiness lay in material possessions, and she was willing to do whatever it took to achieve her desires. As a teenager, Anika discovered that her beauty was a powerful tool. She used it to charm her way into the hearts and wallets of wealthy men, often manipulating their emotions to gain their trust and financial support. Anika's first significant conquest was a middle-aged businessman named Kamal. She met him at a social event, where her dazzling smile and flirtatious demeanor quickly caught his attention. They began dating, and soon Anika was living a life of luxury she had only dreamed of. Kamal showered her with expensive gifts, took her on extravagant trips, and even bought her a luxurious apartment. Anika reveled in her newfound wealth, relishing the attention and admiration that came with it. But Anika's relationship with Kamal was not without its challenges. Kamal was possessive and controlling, and he often grew suspicious of Anika's motives. Anika, however, was determined to hold on to her golden ticket to a life of luxury. She learned to navigate Kamal's insecurities and manipulate his emotions to ensure that their relationship remained intact. As Anika's ambitions grew, so did her appetite for wealth. She began to target men of even higher status, carefully crafting her persona to appeal to their desires. She became a master of deception, weaving elaborate tales of her background and aspirations to gain their trust. Anika's exploits did not go unnoticed. She became a local celebrity, her name whispered in hushed tones among the city's elite. Some admired her audacity and ambition, while others condemned her moral compass. Anika, however, remained unfazed by the gossip. She was focused on her goal, determined to reach the pinnacle of wealth and social status. She believed that once she had achieved her ultimate desire, she would be free from the constraints of society and could live life on her own terms. Years passed, and Anika's reputation grew. She became known as the Gold Digger Queen, a woman who had amassed a fortune by manipulating the affections of wealthy men. She was the envy of many, but also the target of scorn and ridicule. Despite the criticism, Anika remained unyielding. She believed that she was above society's norms, that she had the right to pursue her own happiness regardless of the means. She was a woman driven by ambition, a woman who would stop at nothing to achieve her goals. However, Annika's relentless pursuit of wealth and status came at a cost. She sacrificed her true self, her genuine connections, and her integrity in exchange for material possessions. She became a prisoner of her own desires, trapped in a cycle of manipulation and deception. As Annika grew older, she began to question the choices she had made. She realized that true happiness did not lie in material possessions, but in genuine connections and a sense of purpose. She longed for a life of meaning, a life where she could make a positive impact on the world. Annika's transformation began subtly. She started to use her influence to help others, supporting charitable causes and empowering women in her community. She discovered a sense of fulfillment in giving back, in making a difference in the lives of others. Annika's journey of self-discovery was not easy. She had to confront the demons of her past, the manipulative tactics she had employed, and the pain she had caused others. She had to learn to forgive herself and embrace a new path, a path of integrity and compassion. In the end, Annika found true happiness not in the pursuit of wealth and status, but in the pursuit of meaning and purpose. She learned that true fulfillment comes from within, from using one's gifts to make a positive impact on the world.